ErikAK here with a brand new product for you. This new product is brought to us by the same people who brought you the disc washer method. That's right, the same people that brought us the disc washer method are releasing a new product. If you don't know what the disc washer method is, I recommend you go check it out. I got another video explaining the whole thing, but wait, don't go quite yet. Because even if you don't know what the disc washer method is, we got a great product for you here today. And you don't need to know what the disc washer is to figure this one out. So you know what? Stay and learn about it. So, getting on to the new product. New product is called the shell method. That's right, the shell method. Now, the reason this new product was released is that some people using the disc washer method have learned there's some cases where this method actually can start to break down. It becomes cumbersome, it becomes slow, and sometimes it just doesn't work. So, the great people who brought us the disc washer method, I released a new product to make sure your ease of math and calculations, the shell method. So let's get to it. As we know, with all these methods, we gotta start with a function. In this case, f of x is equal to x squared. We see it here on the graph, x squared. But the difference this time is we're no longer wrapping around the x-axis. No. Today we're going to wrap around the y-axis. I know what you're thinking. Whoa, Erik, what are you talking about? That's crazy talk. Forget about it. But no. Trust me on this, okay? Trust me. So we see the function. We see we're going to be wrapping this way. So if we wrap our shape around really fast, going around the y-axis, we're going to come up with a shape similar to this. Maybe with more of a cone in the bottom, but still similar to this. So we got a nice physical model right here. So we see our shape, well now we gotta find the volume. You're thinking, hey, okay, why can't I use my disc washer method? You know, just chunk it up nice and easy. You see the problem is, now we're moving vertically. So in order to disc it, we'd have to change from x's over to y's and deal with a whole bunch of stuff that, trust me, you wanna forget about it. So, with our new shell method, it allows us to stick with x and solve these new vertical problems. Don't worry. Now we'll get into the math. So, right here, we see the big difference is 2 pi. Right here, 2 pi. Twice the pi, twice the productivity. That's right. We now, after our 2 pi, we see our interval. It's from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. You recognize it before. But you see, this function doesn't go to 9 this way. That's because now we're going to 9 vertically. That's right. Okay, so we got an interval. Here's where a big difference comes in. Next, we do not multiply by the function. Next what comes is the radius. You're thinking, whoa, the radius of what? The radius of our shape. You see the radius here, halfway across is your radius. That is equal, in this case, to x. Trust me on this, it's equal to x. So we have 2 pi, we have an interval, we have x as our radius. Finally, we multiply it by the function, f of x equaling x squared. And we finish off with, of course, the great touch of d of x. Boom. So, to run over again, we got 2 pi. We got our interval from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. We got the radius, and we got the function. So you're probably thinking, whoa, okay, I see it again, but you've lost me with all the numbers and calculations. But I remember last time, Erik was kind enough to show us exactly what the product does himself, and I'm going to do it again tonight. So, the shell method is an amazing product. What this product can actually do is take your shape and start unwrapping it. Unwrapping it like this. Peel it layer by layer by layer by layer until you get all the way to the end. And then take this, take what's left, take the shell that it is ripped off, and find the volume of it. Find the full volume of your shape by peeling it back layer by layer by layer by layer. So, just remember, 2 pi, interval, radius, function, d of x, and you will peel it back and find the volume. Thank you for watching. Hey, if you haven't checked out my disc washer method video, check it out. You'll learn something. It'll help you learn about it. Please like, subscribe, and check out any other videos that you'd like. You know, finally, I'd just like to say good night, and remember, do not forget about it.
Burns hot like harmonic distortion. Push down the line in generous portions. The rules too late, just eat what you're fed.